Hello? Okay, now it's working. Hello, guys. So here we are. Today is actually June the 11th. And yeah, let's go. Let's hop right into my pre-market plan as I haven't done it yet due to news being released at 1:30. So since 30 minutes ago, which was the CPI. Oops, sorry, just minor mistake. Okay, so let's see what will I be looking out for. I don't have much levels, especially now that the action broke above my previous supply area. So let's see how this will go. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm, Very thin book right here. Hmm, Tough read right now to find what the actual is actually is going on right here. Let me just check for clues on Carmine's pre-market. Okay, there is none. Okay, no worries. No worries, no worries, no worries. Let me just check for higher time frames. I have literally no idea what to look for. I I guess I will see just how the 6040 to 6033 reacts to price. I'm not really sure. I'll be very honest. There are a few days, not in the month, but a few days throughout the year when I trade that I have absolutely no clue what to plan for. I am not sure. Something I might be looking for is if the price, just I'm thinking. Okay. I'll be looking at right here to see how price reacts to this, which is a low volume node. Okay. Mm, And depending on the price reaction to this level when the market is open, um, I might be looking to see if I can be long, okay, above 6,055 to play the supply breakout, okay? Meaning this supply for me is already invalid, but it was invalidated due to a large move caused by an event, okay, which was the CPI. So this most likely was a overreaction, okay, quote unquote. And as you can see, price didn't, yeah, it did sustain a little higher, okay, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it did. Not much, but I will see, okay? But this is the first real plan, okay? This is the first real plan, okay? A move back into 6052 to 6043 that gets supported by strong buying pressure will uh, trigger my attention for potential longs above 60.52, okay, around this area, expecting a supply breakout. Sorry, it was an important message. I'm not sure what I will target, and this plan will largely depend on my read of the market. Okay, I really need to feel how buyers and sellers will be. Okay, and how will they react to each other's. Um, so yeah, it's a tough read at the moment. Okay, I really do believe that into today's session, it will be a session that I will need to be very flexible, okay, to understand, okay, this can move to either directions, and I need to be very clear with my thoughts and the way I perceive the market, okay? So this is the first plan. Let me see if I can have anything else. Okay, I'm not seeing anything, okay, which most likely means that there is nothing. Okay, when I try to overanalyze, I get this sense that, okay, I'm forcing stuff. I'm making up stuff, okay, that stuff that is not there. Okay, and even though that, yeah, this stuff that I'm making up, okay, this could result in a winning trade, but this is not sustainable because it's not repeatable. So when I trade, I am trying to look as much as possible for repeatability. Okay, so yeah, this is the only setup that I'm watching out. And of course, I'm also looking out for this 5983s. Yeah, 5983. Okay, no worries. I don't have much more than this. So this session will be one I need to be updated constantly. Check for levels, see where price might want to go next based on participants' activity. Okay. Just put some music just to okay, this is the only scenario I will be watching out for. Okay, looks nice. Um, where is the gold analysis? Like the heck? Why it keeps on disappearing? Another play that I'm currently watching out for is this gold play. Um, I will actually create an alert right here. So, what I will be monitoring is basically break above this resistance structure, which we have currently seen, okay, and then potentially hold, okay, above, and also hold like this, as previously played out, as support, okay. This is mainly what I'm monitoring and looking to capitalize on. Okay, this is one of the things that I'm actually monitoring right now. Okay. Okay, I don't know what's going on here with the gold shard. Okay, doesn't matter. I will make my pre-market plan right here for gold as well, which is a major level that I will be watching, which is this 3370. Oh, wait, this is not gold. Okay. KGC. Okay, nice, nice. Great. Um, okay. Looks phenomenal. Okay. Name I am monitoring right now due to all the fuss around it. 3370 is a key resistance. Okay, and the key resistance, yeah, key resistance would previously support, now acting as resistance, but we are currently making higher highs and higher lows. Therefore, I believe that this resistance can be broken anytime right now. So, key resistance, which was a previous support. Now I want price to break above and hold for potential long setups. Okay, I will be testing out, okay, this gold, as I've never traded gold. However, this has potential like anything. I don't have big supply or demand zones. Okay. This is CPI. I don't need this. Okay. I don't have much big supply or demand zones for this specific name. As you can see, there's not much. We had some here, some here. For some reason, that trade was made here. But right now, I have nothing to be honest. So yeah, this is the only level that I will be paying attention to. Okay. Um, Trades notebook. Okay, this is right here. This is the 11th on Wednesday. Yes, this is it. Okay, great. Show long setups. Okay, this is the current level I'm watching out for. If I'm being honest, I don't expect for the type of reaction that I'm expecting to happen today. Okay, what I'm really expecting is something like this. Strong break above, yes, some consolidation. Okay, why not? But then what I'm really looking after, okay, is for the price to drop, okay, for us to have some selling pressure present in the market that is unable to break below, yeah, below the 33.70s, okay. That's what I'm really looking forward, just like what happened right here, okay? We got the break above the 33.70. We extended the move even higher, but then we rejected the highs, okay? And right at the open of this session on the 3rd of June, we tried to breach lower, but we didn't, okay? Bulls intervened on the price and they were able to hold the price higher, okay? Resulting in a shabby up move, okay? I'm not really sure what is the ATR here is not very good, okay? We are talking about on average 10 points, 11. So I gotta be careful with the stops and targets I will be playing at. So just to have a fair comparison, the S&P is almost twice, okay, in terms of price of the gold, but its average ATR, okay, so we were watching what? Not a 15-minute, right? Oh my God, I don't remember. Oh, we were watching a 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Yeah, 15. Why is this just so messed up? What the heck? Okay. Okay. 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. 12 points. But like, yeah, we had a low volatility. Okay. Yeah. But even then, okay, look at this. So the low here is 6,005. The high is 6,050. It's a little different than gold. Let's take a day, for example, okay, okay, right here, June 5th. Okay, the high was 6,016, the low was 59.28, which is around 90 points. Okay, let's see gold for comparison. June 5th. June 5th. Okay, the high was 34.28, the low was 33.62. Okay, so which is around 38 plus 28, which is 66. Okay, it's not bad. They actually, if I had to say, percentage wise, gold is a little more volatile than the S&P is at the moment, but I need to add a spreadsheet, okay, with all the data and really check, okay, if the this verifies or not. But nonetheless, I believe gold is a very good instrument for me to also trade and to complement with my S&P analysis, because sometimes there is no good place to really take based upon the S&P only. So it's actually very funny. I'm actually very interested in this. Just check something, okay? Sure, really quick. Export that. I want this to be. Oh, we cannot have it on the. Okay, no worries. So I can have it right here. 2,500 observations. Okay, let's make this 7,500s. Regular trading hours only. Yeah, regular trading hours only. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's make it like this. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me just check this one out. Okay, I could have included. Okay, I'm a little dumb. I should have included the. No, don't save. The ATR. Export data, include this. Let me see if I can retrieve data format. Okay, this will be 1 hour by default because of this. Okay, let me just check this one out. This is the new one, right? 62 KBs. Okay, only that. 24 ATR. Okay, this is. But just check another thing. Okay, I don't want this one. Let me just check this one. So this would be date, open, high, low, close, volume. Okay, so this would be high minus the low, right? Okay, I will make this as an absolute value for fair comparison. Okay, so this is actually like this. Oh, okay, I'm a little dumb. Okay, this is actually right here, so I can make an average of this, which will equate to 4.44 on the gold standard. Okay. Now, if I choose the S&P, I will do this as a chart, export, okay, on the 1 hour as well. Make sure that everything lines up. Okay, this is the gold, this is the S&P. Okay, my mistake. This is actually the 30 minute. Okay, my bad. Export data. Okay. And we have 3 minutes to do this. Come on. Chop. This is crazy. Okay. This is date. This is data going back towards 2022. Actually insane. Just check something here. Average, max, and minimum. Oh, minimum 0. What? Does it make sense to actually do the absolute value? Not sure if it does. Just see how much the data. Okay, it doesn't change much. Oh, of course it doesn't change much. But wait, why? But a high, low, close. I'm a little confused. Okay, now this is the one that I want. Okay. So this will be the high minus The low. Okay. Oi. 13, okay. If we do this, this is actually crazy. Okay. Max 363 compared to a 57. Okay, the volatility comparison throughout these two names is actually insane. So even though the price here is almost throughout the time 2 times the value of gold, we can actually see that the total heat throughout the day is triple the gold. So we can actually say with confidence that the S&P is a little more volatile than the gold is. Nice little analysis. Hey, market is open. Let's see how this one plays out, okay? The book is very thin, something that's clearly notable, but I do believe that the book has been very thin. Okay, buyers are not being present right here at the 60/40s. So I can easily see this getting under 60/40 and trading around 60/35s. Let me just check this one out. Okay. A lot of buying pressure right here at the 60/46s. Let's see what this will convert into. Will we see another move higher and break the 60/49 structure, or we'll have a move lower? Okay, a large order just kicked in right here. Okay, it's right on below here. 478, okay. Large passive sell-in order. Let's see. Can this buying be a strong factor for price to rally and break the high of today? We'll see. Okay, let's just wait a little further. Buyers are present. Okay, there is something here that I'm watching and I'm enjoying to see. Okay, let's see if this is an order. Sorry, I was just thinking an order that has no intention of getting filled. Okay, this is very important because look at this. We had this sell-in order, sell-in ask, order at the ask. Okay, that's the correct term. Right here, okay, there's a large block, 124, 469, 140, so it equates to around 800 lots that eventually just got dropped, okay, as prices reaching higher levels. Okay, this order seems to be legit and somehow as it's not getting pulled when price gets closer to it. So we'll see. Okay, 560, that's 645. Will this be a good reaction or not? Let's see. Let us see, let us see. Node. Element further down. Okay. This is looking very good. See if I can get here a fill at 60.47. Where my stop at 60.44. Okay, and I can. Let's see. 60.40, 33.5. Okay. Trying a long right here. Okay. Oh, okay. I never posted this. Okay, I will just post it in a bit. Let me just check it. My ideal stop would be below 60.41, but with an entry at 60.47, I do believe it's a little stretch to place a stop. Okay, very nice buying pressure right here. Okay, beautiful. Bounce. Entry at 60.47, stop at 60.43.5, targeting 60.60. Okay, this is mainly large buying pressure with selling absorption. Okay, let's see. This is a little tough. Okay, I'm seeing this buying pressure right here, but then immediately selling pressure. Tough to read. Won't lie. So far, this is all in view app. Okay, I really need this to break above 60.50s and a hold. If okay, more buying pressure right here. 400 lots. Okay, this needs to break above. Come on. If it doesn't, then yeah, I can. Okay, we had more selling pressure. Okay, this is getting a little tricky. Not really following up this. I feel like this is preparing for a large move. I'm not sure which direction will be. Okay, and another, wow, more buying pressure. Someone is just accumulating a large position. More selling right here. Wow. Okay, something is going on, which I'm not fully understanding. I might get stopped out right here, okay? I'm okay with it. Another very big uh, bid order. Okay, this is not getting the same reaction as we had with the previous ones. Let's see. Okay, and it did. God damn it. Like, very tough to read. Like, man, come on. It's just very, very tough. Like, after this, I can completely see why someone would go short right here, okay? But since I was already long, I really felt that, okay, this buying pressure right here, okay, plus this buying pressure, okay, we might see some move up, but we didn't. Still waiting for more development. Okay, that's one trade. Doesn't matter. The outcome at the end of the day, it's just moving on. Okay, that's very important. Yes, sometimes I might sound a little upset because at the end of the day, I'm human and I wanted for things to go in my way. Of course, like we all do. If even if some of us say, "Oh yeah, yeah, I'm completely okay with it," it's not okay. Okay, it's not okay to be okay with it, but we just have to move on and think, okay, this is part of our business, and at the end of the day, this is just like a, I don't know, the best way to describe is like being a casino owner, okay? Most of the bets you might lose. However, when you win, you will win big, big enough to make up for those losses. That's what I try to do. Of course, that price would first go lower into the 60.36s and make a low of the day on the regular trading hours, only then to move higher. Damn it. Let's get up. Now, once again at 60.50. Like, mm, this was a very good setup. Okay, strong buying pressure right here. Okay, 1400. Okay, in positive delta, followed up by a passive bid that followed um, a large absorption here. Like, damn, this is very, very tough. Sucks, and even get a mindset on just simply reversed. And this is just moving like 60.52 once again. When I go for things like this, where we have a clear consolidation period, price briefly breaks below it, and I tried to get long, anticipating this was to be for that to be a stop hunt. I always get burned, always. Okay, I can never catch something like this ever. Okay, but then yeah, this is very tough to read. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know, my friend Leonid. To be very honest, I took a long before. I really thought that the market would go just straight up into the 6060s. But now, yeah, I'm not sure of what I would bet. I'm getting this random big ass orders, which are being displayed by these large bubbles, larger than usual, larger than the other bubbles. If I would say right here, um, this is a long, okay? I would expect for the price to head higher. Um, and I still am expecting that, okay? If I see a break above the 60.55s and hold above the 60.55s, okay, which is around here, okay, a break above 60.55s, and price holds here on this red box, I'm expecting for price to head even higher and possibly test the high of today, which is around 60.74. In my opinion, longs are favorable at the moment, still at the moment, okay? And yeah, I would think the market would go higher, but if it goes lower before it goes higher, I don't know. Like, I just got big fake out. Okay, see this large selling pressure coming in out of nowhere after this buying pressure. Like, I don't know. I feel like buyers are really fighting off this for the price. How do I say this? Not price acceptance, but I feel like they're fighting to see who is in control. Okay. Uh, and I'm not really sure who is winning. I do believe buyers are winning, but I don't know. Uh, I really don't. We are having a lot of selling pressure right here at the 60/50s. I don't know. For me to be long right here is just way overextended. Okay, if I get long here, I will place my stop 60.47s to 60.46s, but I feel like it's easy to get for price to get to 60.46s. Just 1 second. To 60.46s and stop me out. I don't know. Some days market is really tough to read, and I can't get a proper read of this. Let's see. Okay, save. Oh, unsave. Just so this. Okay, that's analysis. Yes, tick data. Okay. Okay. Huh. At the moment, I feel like I cannot trust um, this delta footprints only because I'm seeing a lot of big um, delta volume random. Okay. And it always is of the same dimensions. Okay. It's always 500 and something. 517, 540, 508, 542, 633. It's always around the 500s to the 700s. Okay, which was very similar here. Okay, 560, 526, 510, 497, 524. Like it's getting very, very weird. So yeah, 60, 45. Larger buying pressure right here at the 60.54 and then immediate rejection. This is very tough. The hell? the same pattern keeps on emerging. Um, straight climb up. Nothing I can do about it. I had the right idea, the wrong timing. It happens, okay, it's tough. I felt like price was going to bounce. Of course, no one knows when and exactly where. Okay, so I tried to play my cards. Yeah, yes, I could have got long here as well at 60.49s. I don't know, stop at 60.46s, for example. Yeah, and I could have been successful. But I still wanted to give it a little more time. And yeah, maybe as we see, I did the wrong thing because we can clearly see absorption here at the 60.48s. My bad on that one. Okay, guys, 10 minutes. I'll just grab a smoothie. Okay. Be back. I really thought that price would be a little lower when I get back, but I was wrong. Price is still lingering here. Damn, I really feel sad when I'm looking back because I feel like this was the right time to get in long. Even though I could have got stopped out, okay, I'm perfectly aware of that. Okay. Even when I zoom this, I needed some luck, okay, to be honest. I needed some luck. But nonetheless, I could have got long at 60.44.49, stopping at 60.46. Like, okay, let's see from this perspective, okay? This is what happened, okay? Just like this. So, getting long here between the 60.50s, which had a major selling pressure here, and 60.48s. Getting in long at 60.49, okay? Yeah, most likely I would have stopped out at 60.47 or 60.46 in 2 quarters, which was right here. It was a tough one. Tough to read and tough to trade. Okay, price is moving. Large sweep. Incredible. This little bounce. Also, what was incredible is the Carmen plan. It was looking to to long 60.41 until 60.30. Very good perception out of him to trade. So I'll end this session right here. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow for more action. As I believe I don't have any levels and price is just slowly moving. Okay, it has clear issues breaking the 60/60s and clear issues breaking below the 60/50. So yeah, this is a matter of weight. So yeah, I will wait, but off the stream. So guys, see you tomorrow. I'll be here for tomorrow's session and also on Fridays, and looking forward to it. They had a very good day actually. It didn't went as planned, okay, but nonetheless, I had some nice and solid trades. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.